choosing the right hosting provider can be overwhelming, especially when comparing two different platforms like HostGator and Contabo. Both have unique strengths, but they cater to slightly different audiences. In today's video, we'll compare HostGator and Contabo in detail, focusing on performance, pricing, features, and customer support. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or someone looking for a powerful server solution, this comparison will help you make the right decision. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's get started. Now, let's start with a quick overview of these two hosting providers. HostGator is a well-established hosting company offering shared VPS and dedicated hosting. It's beginner-friendly and catered to small to medium-sized websites. Now, Contabo is known for its affordable, high-performance VPS and dedicated server. Contabo is a favorite among developers and businesses that need more control and power. Both are strong in their own way, but how do they compare side by side? And so, with the ease of use, these two providers serve very different audiences. HostGator, it's designed with beginners in mind. HostGator provides an intuitive cPanel for managing your website. It includes a drag-and-drop website builder and a one-click installs for WordPress and other CMS platforms. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly, making it easy to get started. Meanwhile, Contabo caters to more advanced users and developers who need full control over their servers. Its interface is less polished, and beginners might find it overwhelming. However, it offers root access and customizable server configuration for those who know what they're doing. For ease of use, HostGator is the clear choice, as it is far more beginner-friendly. Now for speed and performance. Website speed and performance are critical, especially for SEO and user experience. Here's how HostGator and Contabo stack up. For HostGator, they have shared hosting and it offers decent performance with average load times of 1.8 seconds. Now, it includes unlimited bandwidth, but performance can dip during high traffic periods. They also guarantee 99.9% uptime, but some users report occasional outage. And so, Contabo, their performance is exceptional due to the focus on VPS and dedicated servers. Their servers use SSD storage and highly configurable, leading to faster speeds and better resource allocation. The average load time is going to be 1 second depending on the server configuration. And once again, they guarantee 99.9% uptime, but downtime is rare thanks to its high-grade infrastructure. And so, Contabo leads in performance, especially for VPS and dedicated server users. However, HostGator provides reliable performance for small websites. And now, let's compare the features each provider offers. For HostGator, they have free SSL certificates and a free domain for the first year. They offer unlimited storage and bandwidth on shared plans. And lastly, it includes a website builder, email hosting, and one-click app installation. Meanwhile, for Contabo, they offer high-performance VPS and dedicated server with full root access. It is highly customizable configurations to suit specific project needs. They have additional features like DDoS protection, Snapchats, and server monitoring tools. Now, in my opinion, Contabo is the feature rich for advanced users, while HostGator is better for general purpose hosting and beginner. And so, pricing is where the two providers differ significantly. For HostGator, their shared or hatching plan starts around $2.75 a month, and it renews at $11 a month. They offer features like fan websites, 10 GB of SSD storage, chat support, unmetered bandwidth, free domain for the first year, free SSL, and more. Now, pricing includes extras like a free domain and SSL, but the renewals can be pricey. Contabo, on the other hand, the VPS hosting starts at $7 a month, or in my case, it's only at $4.15 a month. Now, this can change depending on your region. Now, dedicated server starts at $50 a month, offering incredible value for the resource provided. No free domains or website builders, but the raw server power is unmatched at the price point. You can just navigate through the Contabo website right here, and inside you can then go ahead and see all of the features it has to offer. Now, Contabo takes the lead in pricing for VPS and dedicated hosting, but HostGator is more affordable for shared hosting. And now let's move over to customer support. Good customer support can make or break your experience. Here's how HostGator and Contabo compare. Now, for HostGator, they offer 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and email. They have large knowledge base with tutorials and guides. Now for Contabo, they offer email and ticket-based support, but no live chat or phone support. The response time can be slower, especially during peak hours. And so, HostGator wins this round with its more accessible and responsive support options. And now, let's talk about scalability and growth potential. If you're planning to grow your website or business, scalability is crucial. Now for HostGator, they offer shared VPS and VPS Cloud, dedicated hosting, making it easy to scale. The plan upgrades are seamless with additional resource available as needed. Meanwhile, for Contabo, they specializes in VPS and dedicated hosting, making it ideal for businesses with high resource demands. They are highly customizable, and plans ensure you get what you pay for or what you need. Now, in my opinion, Contabo is unbeatable for scaling with the VPS and dedicated hosting, while HostGator is better suited for those starting small and scaling gradually. And so, here's the quick summary to help you decide which provider fits your need. You want to choose HostGator if you're a beginner or small business owner needing an easy-to-use hosting solution, or if you want a free domain and simple website building tools. Now, you want to choose Contabo if you're a developer or business needing powerful VDS or dedicated server. Or maybe you require high performance and complete control at an affordable price. Now, the key takeaways are HostGator is great for general hosting, while Contabo is perfect for power users and businesses with advanced hosting needs. And so, that wraps up for the comparison of HostGator versus Contabo. And so, which one do you think is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more hosting comparison. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.